Hello friends, welcome to Mia's Spice World. Today we will be making Shakkarai Pongal or Sweet Pongal. Shakkarai Pongal is a popular traditional sweet dish from south of India. It is made with rice, moong dal, milk, ghee and jaggery. It is a delicious sweet made during festivals like Pongal and Makar Sankranti. It is also served as Naivedyam for many other festivals. Traditionally, Shakkarai Pongal is made in a bronze pot. But I will be sharing with you a recipe which we usually make at our home using a pressure cooker. Roasted nuts, cardamom, desi ghee adds flavor to this simple yet irresistible dish. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and also hit the bell button for latest notifications. Do watch this video till the end. So, let's get started. In a pressure cooker, add 1/4 cup of split yellow moong dal and dry roast in low-medium flame. Roast them till they begin to smell nice and aromatic. The color of the dal should not change. Switch off the flame and add 1 cup of raw rice. Wash them at least 3 times. Drain the water completely and pour 4 cups of water and half cup of boiled and cooled milk. To this, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and mix well. On a medium flame, pressure cook for 6 whistles. Meanwhile, let's prepare the jaggery syrup for the Shakkarai Pongal. In a pan, heat half cup of water. To this, add 2 cups of jaggery. Heat it up for few minutes until jaggery melts completely. Switch off the flame and strain the jaggery syrup into another pan. Heat the jaggery syrup and continue stirring until you get one string consistency. Remove from flame and keep it aside. Now open the cooker when the pressure drops. Gently mash up the cooked rice and dal to get a creamy consistency. It should be mushy and soggy. Now add the jaggery syrup to the rice and mix them thoroughly and keep aside. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and give it a quick stir. In a small pan, add 3 tablespoons of ghee and roast 1/4 cup of coconut bits to slightly golden color. Then add 2 tablespoons of split cashew nuts and fry them till golden color. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of raisins and fry them till they bubble up. Add this to pongal and mix well. Our yummy and delicious sweet pongal is ready to be served. Do try this recipe and give your feedback. This will keep us motivated to bring more such videos. Also, like this video and share with your friends. Meet you soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, keep smiling and stay safe.